Why should I link Google Analytics and Google Ads? Very good question. You must link Google Analytics and Google Ads before you start running any ads, because it's critical that you get as much data as possible into Google Ads to make data-driven decisions. Google Analytics will allow you to see data which is not available from Google Ads, as well as import conversion data, audiences, as well as events. So let's go into Google Analytics first to show you how you do this, and then I'll show you how we can set up a import of a conversion from analytics. So you go into your analytics account. Is this the right one? This one is. Go into analytics, and bottom left hand corner admin, and the middle column under property, Google Ads linking, and there it is. So to start a new one, all you would do is you click on this, and then you will see one. I mean, we've got multiple accounts over here, that's why we grayed it out. It's our client account, so you select it, and that is it. It takes literally 2 seconds to do that. Once it's done, you will see that your account has been linked over here. Then when you go into Google Ads and I want to import the conversion data from Google Analytics, I can go into, click on new, tracking conversions, import, and there you go, analytics. And from here you can then add it once it's linked. This is my test account, hence you can't see it, but you can select goals as well as transactions, the transaction value, as well as from Google Analytics into your Google Ads account. So I would highly recommend that you do this before you start any campaigns, especially when you are running display campaigns for brand awareness and you want to see micro conversions, which are actions like time on site, scroll to the bottom of the page, somebody click on add to cart button. So those sort of event tracking we can import as micro conversions into Google Ads to see how good or bad the quality of the traffic is coming from a certain campaign or an ad or a keyword. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so and hit the bell button so that you get notified for any new videos when we update. So once again, I truly appreciate your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.